Watermelon is a sweet fruit with many benefits. This is because watermelon has a high water content. In addition, this refreshing watermelon contains many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is all beneficial for the overall health of the body. To consume watermelon can also be in various ways. It can be consumed directly or in processed forms such as juice or smoothies, all of which are equally delicious. Even so, one should also be aware of the possible side effects of watermelon, because not everyone can often consume watermelon, because the content of watermelon can also make their health conditions more severe. Curious what health conditions should not consume watermelon? Here are the dangers of watermelon in some people with the following health conditions. 1. Digestive problems. Eating excessive amounts of watermelon can result in digestive problems, such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. This side effect is triggered by the high content of FODMAPs, a group of short-chain carbohydrates that cannot be digested or absorbed slowly in the small intestine. The FODMAP group includes oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. High FODMAP intake can also cause irritable bowel syndrome-like symptoms, as well as worsen gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, in healthy people. 2. Harmful to the heart. Watermelon has potassium content, which plays an important role in keeping the body healthy. However, consuming large amounts of potassium-enriched foods can cause cardiovascular problems to worsen. Some of the cardiovascular problems that can occur are absent or weak pulse, irregular heartbeat, and cardiac arrest. This mineral substance is actually needed by the body. However, excess potassium levels in the body can be harmful to the heart. 3. May increase blood sugar. In addition to its high FODMAP content, watermelon has a high glycemic index. This needs to be a concern, especially for those of you who suffer from diabetes, because eating watermelon in excess can increase blood sugar. People with blood sugar should control their watermelon intake because watermelon has a fairly high natural sugar content. Consumption of large amounts of watermelon can significantly increase blood sugar levels. Therefore, it is important for people with blood sugar to limit the intake of watermelon fruit and pay attention to the portion size and frequency of consumption of the fruit. Those are some of the dangers of watermelon fruit for some people with these health conditions. Fruit is good for health, but some health conditions are recommended to avoid some fruits. This video is for educational purposes only. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.